Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. So today I'm going to discuss something really interesting and important. So how do we figure out what kind of content to create to drive quality audience or quality traffic to our website? By quality traffic, I primarily mean how do we ensure that the traffic that we're getting on our website are actually adding value to our business. That is, they are ending up into a purchase, or they are converting into a lead, or they are adding up to our community. They are our real audience. So how do we ensure that we are getting this quality traffic to our website? And that's where the content game comes into play. The more relevant content, the more relevant keywords you're going to target, the better quality audience you're going to get in your website. So this is very much a basic hygiene in your SEO practice, that you are targeting the right keyword or most valuable keywords with high intent for a conversion. So let us see how we can figure out what kind of keywords to target for our website, what kind of content to create for our website. In the process, we are going to study the market. We are going to understand who are our competitors, what kind of content our competitors are creating, what kind of content is giving a massive volume of traffic to our competitors website, and what kind of keywords those competitors are targeting to rank those high quality, high performance content on the search. So we are going to use some tools. So in this particular tutorial, I'll walk you through a step-by-step process, and in this whole journey we're going to use Ahref. This is the tool that you're going to use. It is from Ahrefs. Then we're going to use SEMrush, and also you're going to use UberSuggest. Now these three tools are paid tools, but you also have a free version of these tools, so you can quickly have some trial version and use it for your purpose. So these are the three tools that you're going to use. It's not required to use all of these three tools. You can use only one tool as well, but I'll just give an overview of all of these three tools so that you are very clear about which tool is it that you are most comfortable in. And also you're going to use certain tools like Answer the Public, Google Keyword Planner, Google Suggest, and UberSuggest to figure out the keywords that are being mostly searched by my target audience. So let's get started with the whole process. So let's say right now I'm gonna so my primary objective right now is to figure out what kind of content shall I create for my website. So let's say I am into document scanning solutions. So this is one of the exercises that we are doing right now. So let's say we are trying to promote document scanning solutions. This is bulk document scanning solutions for industrial products. So let's say there are large corporations who have a lot of paper-based content, hard copies as such, that they are looking to convert into soft copies. So they will be looking for document scanning services in their locality. So right now we just know that our product is, or our service is, a document scanning solution. So the first step is to understand what exactly is the product or service that you're promoting. So in our case, it's document scanning services or bulk document scanning services. Now at this stage, I do not even know what people are searching for. So I'm just blank. I just know that my product is a document scanning solution. So what I'll do is I'll get into Google Keyword Planner. It's a free tool from Google Ads. So I'll get into Google Keyword Planner, and from here on I'll start with a very basic research just to understand what are people searching for. Because right now, as per my understanding, the product is document scanning services or document scanning solution. Now I even do not know if they're searching for solution or a service. So document scanning solution or document scanning service, I do not know. So just to understand what kind of keyword strings users are searching for, I'm doing this particular exercise on Google Keyword Planner. So document scanning solution is one of my keyword, and the other keyword that defines my service or my product is bulk document scanning solution. So the idea is we are starting with the basic, very basic keyword that defines our service or the product that we are promoting. So this is known as a seed keyword. We are starting with a very basic keyword that defines our product or service, and then I'm gonna shortlist the target market. In my case, it's United States, so I'm gonna select United States over here and save it. Now if you have a reference website, then definitely you can put it. So this is where you can filter out the different keyword ideas that you're gonna get once you hit get results based on a certain website. So in case there is a particular market leader in the category that you're playing in, so let's say there is a huge company in document scanning solution. In that case, you can just put in the URL over here. It will help you refine your keyword search results. In my case, I do not even know about the competitors right now, so I'll just put in my seed keywords and hit get results. Now in this case, in this particular search, I'm going to get some quick insights about how this particular product or service is being searched for by my audience online. So this is for the US market over the last 1 year, and these are the different keywords that people have been searching for. So if you look at this particular result, in a matter of few minutes, in just few clicks, I have got to know a lot of other keyword ideas. So a few minutes back, I just had one keyword in my mind that defines my product, that is document scanning solution. Right now, after 2-3 clicks, I know that people are also searching for document capture software, document digitization software, document imaging software solutions, then bulk document scanning services. I did not even have any idea that people will be searching for document imaging solutions or document digitization softwares. So this is how this keyword planner tools or keyword research tools helps you get some more and more ideas about your keywords. Now these are the different keyword strings that I can target to get traffic to my audience, because people are searching for this keyword. So let's say if you look at this particular keyword over here, scanned document management software, so there are 40 searches on an average every month. That means I have a potential to get around 10-20 of this traffic if I'm having a very properly optimized keyword targeting or a properly optimized web page content about this particular search query. You can just hit on this particular button on this particular text, average monthly search, and you can arrange it in descending to ascending order so that you can see what are the highly searched keywords. Now clearly document capture is a keyword that people are mostly searching for, and it also has a low competition. Now you can also get into refined keywords and then have a quick look at if you have some core brands that are highly searched by the users. Now there are no prominent market leader or no prominent brand in the market as such for this particular solution, document scanning solution. So for me right now, I don't have to bother about branded searches. Mostly people are searching some generic terms like document management scanning, document imaging solutions, and all of that. So what I'll do is over here I have got some basic idea and I'm going to refine my keyword further. So broaden your search. All these particular search suggestions from Google are very, very important. Just ensure that the keywords that you're selecting is something that defines or something that represents your business type. So in my case, document scanning solution, document management service is almost similar. So document scanning solutions, these companies are also, so users who are looking for document scanning solution, they are primarily looking for some document management service. So this is a relevant keyword. I'll select that, and this way you need to keep on selecting the right keywords that matches or defines your service. So at this particular moment, I have a better idea about what exactly my target audience are searching for on Google. So at this moment, I get to know that, okay, document scanning is a keyword that a lot of people are searching for. In fact, most of the searches are happening for document scanning. So this can be one of my core keywords to get started with. Now so this particular tool, Google Keyword Planner, is going to give you some ideas and it's going to give you some insights about what people are searching for. Right now, what I'll do is I'll get into some premium tools to discover more and more keywords, and that's where you get to have this particular tool from Ahref. So keyword generator is a free version of it, and where you will get some limited set of keywords, and keyword explorer is something that you get in the premium version. So once you are in keywords explorer, you can simply type in the seed keyword or the core keyword that you have got from your Google Keyword Planner. Now over here from Google Keyword Planner, I got to know that, okay, document scanning is one of the core keywords that most people are searching. In fact, most of the searches are for this term document scanning. So I'll copy this keyword document scanning, get back to my tool keywords explorer from ahref.com, and simply hit this particular keyword and select the right geography over here. You can just select the right geography from this drop down and then search. So whichever market you are serving, select that particular geography, and then you're going to get this particular result. Similar process you can also follow in SEMrush. I'm showing it in a simultaneous manner so that it's easy for you to understand how to use all of these tools. So all these tools are pretty much similar in format. They all provide you some options to research about keywords, the research about the website, and also research about the top content that is there. So in case of SEMrush, you need to just log into your SEMrush account and get into keyword research, keyword overview, and then you can simply type in the keyword that you're looking for. In my case, document scanning, the location I've selected as United States, and then analyze. Now over here you're going to get a similar kind of result, the search volume, the different parameters or characteristics of this particular keyword search trend, and also the different keyword variations, the questions and the related keywords, and also the SERP result, that is all the top pages that are ranking for this particular keyword. Now if I move back to Ahref, similar kind of result, you're going to get the keyword difficulty, so how easy it is to rank for this particular keyword if you're using it as a keyword target for your website. Then the search volume, the cost per click in case you're going to run some PPC ads or paid ads, then the estimated number of clicks, and all of those data, and also some geographic distribution of this keyword search. So mostly this keyword is searched in India, South Africa, followed by US market, and I'm looking at this 2000 searches from US market. So I'm targeting these 2000 searches from the US market. This is my target market. Now if you scroll down this particular result, you're also going to get this keyword ideas. Now that's where you have to click on this view all 4189 keyword ideas, and that's where you're going to get some ideas on what are the different keyword variations that your audience or that your target users are mostly searching for. Now that's where you're going to get the keyword ideas. For example, I can just pick the top performing keywords. So I'll have to click on this particular button, look at all the keywords that are there, and now I'll have to analyze what kind of user sentiment or what kind of user intent is there whenever they are searching for this particular keyword. So document scanning, for document scanning, whenever they are searching for, they are mostly using this particular term: services, near, software, app. So from here I can get a clear intent that document scanning services, document scanning near me, document scanning software, document scanning app. These are the different keyword variations that I can use because they have a lot of searches. So services, near, then software, application, company. So these are the top search strings or search criteria from your audience. So this way you can get some insights on what kind of keyword variations to use. And again over here, if you look at all of these keywords, you just have to arrange it from ascending to descending so that you are able to understand what are the top highly searched keywords. Now over here, document scanning services near me, document scanning services, document scanning service, document scanning company. These are the highly searched keywords, and this keyword density gives you an idea about how many other websites are using or targeting for the same keyword. So this way you will be able to understand the top performing keywords, the user's search intent, and based on that form your own keyword, target keyword. So this is pretty easy. You just have to understand the intent behind that particular search. So the way that I have explained you right now: document scanning services, document scanning near me, document scanning software, document scanning app. These can be the few keyword variations that I can use because they are having a huge search volume, and at the same time if you are very cautious about the keyword density of the competition as well, you need to rank it faster. You can also look at the keyword density, and what I can see from here is the keyword density is pretty low for all of these keywords that are having a high search volume. So pretty much we don't have much of a competition in this market, but still we can look into this keyword density as a parameter to select our keywords as well. So in this way you can quickly select some keywords, the high performing keywords to target for. And you also have this option for questions. So here is where you will be getting some ideas about what kind of FAQ questions you can create for your website. So what are people searching for? So this is where you're going to get ideas on what kind of content to create for my website, what kind of FAQ questions to put in my web page, and what kind of short question snippets that I can add on my microsite. So let's say you have a listing on Quora, you have a listing on Medium, you have a listing on Reddit, you have a listing on those microsites like Twitter and all. So what kind of content you can put in over there, you can get some ideas from this particular section. And also it's giving me some ideas on what other keyword variants that I can rank for. If you scroll down, you'll find a list of all the top 10 results in the search engine results page. So SERP overview for document scanning. So whenever someone is searching for document scanning from the US market, this is what the search looks like. So the first 3 positions are from these 3 brands who are running paid ads to appear in the first 3 position. Then there is a quick FAQ section. So there are some quick questions. So to explore it more, you can also hit Google and search for this particular term, document scanning, and try to figure out what are the different questions. So these are the top 4 questions that Google is showing up. You shall click on this drop down of this accordion and try to figure out what all other questions people are asking. So just keep on hitting this drop down button and try to explore more and more keyword ideas, more and more content ideas. So over here, right in a matter of few minutes, you can get to know the different types of content, the different types of questions that you can create for your website, so that you are also able to appear in the search result and drive traffic from this quick FAQ section. So this is an area where from you can derive some insights on what kind of questions or what kind of FAQs to put on your website, what kind of content to create for your blog. Next, you're also going to get the list of all the organic results. Now here is where you need to use your brain, you need to use your understanding about the product and the market. So try to figure out what are those websites which are product or service websites, that is they are a direct competitor to me. So let's say I'm providing document scanning services, and here I have fedex.com. So you need to study about fedex.com and you need to understand if they are a content based website, a blog, or actually they are providing these scanning services. Now they are providing scanning services, so they are a head-to-head competitor. Evernote.com, so again they are providing document services, they are a software. So this is a software. So Evernote is again one of my head-to-head competitor. Then I have recognitions.com, I have indeed.com, I have indeed.com again, I have Iron Mountain. Now these are actually some blogs, these are listing sites. Indeed, recognitions, these are listing sites, so they are not a head-to-head competitor, but still they are somehow taking away my traffic share. So I'll also have to look into this, but they are not my head-to-head competitors, they are more of a listing site that I shall look into. So this is again, we have a quick Play Store listing over here. It's the ranking of an app. Then we have Columbus Scanning, Access Corp, and then you can move on to show more, and you can just look at the next 10 results that you get in the search engine results page. So this way you need to figure out who all are my competitors and who all are the other listing sites that is taking away my traffic share. Next step would be to figure out if FedEx is ranking in the first page organically, what are the different keywords that they're targeting and what is the content that they're having. So for this, you just need to click on this particular drop down, and over here you'll get to see all the 3,100 keyword variations for which they rank in the search results, and also the organic traffic is 10,000 on this particular page. These are the 381, these are the different keywords that they're targeting for paid ads. So you can get to know more about this particular page from this drop down. Now for a quick summary, if you click on this particular drop down, you'll be able to see what is the organic traffic that this particular web page gets, the number of organic keywords for which this page appears in the search result, and also the number of keywords that they are using for their Google ads, the backlinks, referring domains. You'll get a lot of information about this particular domain. Now in case you want to go further and study in depth to understand the strategy, the keywords that they're targeting, you can simply copy this particular web page URL, get into a new tab, open up your Ahref, get into Site Explorer, click, just paste in the URL over here, and you will be able to study what are the different keywords that they are using. Now over here, what you get to see is organic keyword. Once you click on organic keywords, you will be able to study the different keywords for which this page ranks. Now that's where you get more keyword ideas. So now from this quick search, I can get to know the different organic keywords for which this FedEx website is ranking, or the different keywords that this particular keyword is targeting. Now, if you look at all of these keywords, that's where you need to have the understanding of how to select the right keyword. So if you look at this particular keyword, where can I scan a document near me, it has around 2,000 searches, and out of those 2,000 searches, 700 of the users are moving on to this particular website. That's a huge traffic share that this page is taking for this particular keyword. So whenever we are targeting any particular keyword, the idea is, out of this particular number of searches, how many searches can it drive to our website. So over here, out of these 2,000 searches, 700 are moving on to FedEx website, and the rest are moving on to the other rankings, other listings that are appearing for this particular keyword search. So we need to figure out what kind of keywords we shall target, so that we have an opportunity over there to drive some traffic out of this total search volume. Now if you look at this particular keyword, scanning services near me, now this particular keyword is having around 4,000 searches, 4,300 odd searches, and FedEx is driving 469 as a number of users. Now this indicates that still still we have a lot of headroom. There is a lot of there are a lot of traffic who are going to some other websites, and the keyword density is pretty high. That means a lot of other websites are targeting for this particular keyword. So keyword density is high, the search volume is high, so it looks like it will be a little tough to rank for this particular keyword, but still we are going to choose this particular keyword because this is a very high quality keyword. We need to understand the intent behind a search whenever we are selecting the keyword. So if you look at this particular keyword, it's scanning services near me. That means the users are looking for a scanning services in their locality, and with a high intent that they are looking for a service in the immediate future. So instantly they can convert, or they can convert in the next 1 week or so. So the lead conversion time for this kind of traffic is gonna be low. So this is a very good quality traffic. The people who are landing up on my website from this particular keyword search, so they're searching for scanning services near me. That means they are in an urgency to get a service done from their local nearby shop, and that's where it's a high intent keyword. This kind of keywords are gonna get us traffic that is closer to conversion, right? So what you can do is you can just hit this plus button over here and create a list of all of these keywords. So let's say I'm planning to create a list of keywords for my document scanning. So I can just create a new list and save all my keywords that I'm liking in this particular list. So from this particular quick scan of FedEx website, these are the 2 keywords that I've selected to work for. So these are the 2 keywords I've added to my list, and then I can also look for the other keywords. So scanning is one more keyword that is having a lot of search volume. That is 12,000 searches are happening for scanning as a keyword. But if you look at this keyword density, it's pretty high, 46, and it is also a very generic broad keyword. We are not sure if this search is happening with an intent to know about scanning in general or to know about a particular type of scanning. So it's a pretty generic keyword and do not clearly define the intent of the user. So we can pretty much skip this kind of keywords over here. Scanning services, again a very good search volume, and the keyword density is low. We can also take up this particular keyword, and I'll just add it to my document services list. So this way you can keep on selecting the right keywords that looks promising. So that means they have a huge search volume, they have a pretty decent keyword density. That means that not a lot of other competitors are targeting this particular keyword, and also the traffic share for other competitors are pretty decent. That means there are some headroom to budge and take some share out of the competitors. So this way you can just quickly select the high intent keywords and make a list of it in your account. So this is one step one. Step two would be, okay, so it also involves scanning through the keywords of other competitors as well. So what I'll do is next I'll move on to the other websites, move on to their organic keywords. I'll click on this button, I look into the organic keywords that they are targeting, the different types of keywords that is giving them the traffic, and based on that I'll keep on selecting keywords from all these websites that are ranking in the first page of Google. So this way you are gonna end up with a list of keywords that is giving traffic to all your competitors. So again, I'll click on this organic keywords. Not much, there are just 300 odd keywords that is giving traffic to organicnations.com, sorry, recordnations.com. So over here what I have is 1000 keywords. So I have already selected this keyword. Document scan services, it is having 800 searches, not a huge search volume, but again document scanning services is something that I already have in my plan. I've already added or selected this particular keyword, so I can skip this because these two are synonymous, semantic keywords. And then scanning service, so this is having some good search volume, and I can just select this as well. But scanning services is also something that I've selected, so I'll just skip it because semantic keywords I need to select any one of them. Google is going to understand the synonyms of a particular keyword. And then if I look at the other keywords as well, document scanning, I have already taken document scanning as a keyword for me. So professional scanning services, this can be one of the good quick keywords, but again the search volume is low, so I'm going to skip it. So in this way you need to select the keywords from all your competitors. So all the top 20 search results that you're going to get, look for the top keywords for which they are ranking, and this way you're going to get a list of the different keywords that you shall be using. right? So I have this list of keywords that I'm making. So if I click on this document services list, I'll get all the different keywords that I've selected so far from these competitors. So these are the different keywords that I'm going to use in my web page optimization. So this is how you keep on selecting the right keywords that you would like to target. So similar process you have to keep on following for all the other competitors as well, and figure out and build a solid list of these keywords. Now coming to the next step, I'll just close all of these extra tabs. So next step is to understand what kind of content shall I create. I've already decided that okay, these are the different keywords that I'm going to target. For this different keywords I want to rank in the search result. Now how do I rank, or how do I use these keywords and rank in the search result? So that's where the content comes into play. You need to create content around your service or the product that you're offering, and you have to use these keywords that you've selected, the different strategic keywords that you've selected right now. You have to use these keywords in your content. That means you have to create content using these keywords, and so that you have a higher probability to rank up this content in the search result and get the traffic. Whenever someone is searching for document scanning services near me, they should be able to get you on the search result. How do you get there? You get there using content. Now our next step is to decide, or next step is to find out what kind of content I should create so that I can rank for these selected keywords. So let's say document scanning. So for this particular keyword I want to rank, so I need to figure out what kind of content I should create. Now there's an interesting way to do that. So there are paid tools like BuzzSumo. It gives you a very interesting insight on the different types of content that is performing well for a particular keyword. So you just have to put in your keyword, and you will get a list of all the different content types that are currently ranking in the search result, the performance of those content, and this is how you're gonna discover the top performing content for your target keywords. Just for your understanding, BuzzSumo is one of those tools that you can use for some quick insights on what kind of content is working well for the target keywords that you are looking to rank for. Then Content Studio is one more such tool that is going to help you do some quick content discovery. So what are the top performing content for the target keyword? Then you have this topic, usetopic.com, that is again going to help you find out the top performing content. Then you have socialanimal.com, and then you also have Ahref, SEMrush, and UberSuggest to do that. Now let us quickly use these tools, because these tools are pretty much handy and almost free to use. So let us see how to get the content ideas for free. So first, Ahref. So in case of Ahref, you can just search by your keywords. So you can just get into Content Explorer. So this is the tab that you need to get in to understand what are the top content in your top content that is there on the internet for your target keyword. In my case, document scanning is the target keyword. So I'll just type in document scanning under quotation, and I'll put in title over here, so that I get the list of all the content from across the globe on the internet that is using document scanning in the title and is about document scanning. So you'll get a quick snapshot of the trend, the number of content that is getting published on the internet about document scanning over time. And once you scroll down, you'll get a list of all the top performing content. All you need to do is sort it by the page traffic or the website traffic. Now website traffic is the overall website. So let's say gov.uk, this is the website, and the page is gov.uk/government/publications/ this exact page. So I want the traffic volume on this exact page on document scanning. So I'll not select web traffic, but I'll select page traffic. So if you select page traffic, sort by page traffic, you'll get the list of all the pages based on the traffic volume. So if you look at this, best document scanning apps of 2021. Now this is the content that is getting 3,500, most of the page traffic, most of the traffic for this particular keyword search, document scanning. So in this way, you're going to get some ideas on what kind of content is actually giving traffic to your competitors. So if you remember, recordnations.com was one of the website that was ranking in the first page. So for document scanning as a keyword, Recordnation was one of the website that was on the first page, right? So here you can see that document scanning services, Recordnation, have a dedicated page on document scanning services, and they are getting a pretty decent traffic. So you can open up all of these websites, all of these content pieces, and look at what kind of content they are creating and why those content is giving them the traffic, right? So this is how you can do it. You can shortlist the right content that your competitors are creating, and also what you can do is you can shortlist the content based on the type. So let's say right now over here you can select the content by the platform. It's not important for now. What you can also do is, in the last 12 months, the different content that was created in the last 12 months, and then the language you can shortlist, and you can also shortlist the content based on the type of content. So let's say words, I want to shortlist content which are having more than 600 words and up to, let's say, 30,000 words. So I'm going to shortlist this based on the number of words. This is going to give me some idea on the this is going to give me a short list of all the web page or long form content. So any content which is having more than 600 words. So here you can see that all of this are the long form content that our competitors are creating and getting traffic for this particular search. Now you need to select the right content types. You need to generate content ideas based on this quick search result. So you just have to keep searching or keep exploring the content for different keyword variations that you have selected. So let's say you have selected 10 different keywords for which you want to rank your page. So just keep on searching for all of those 10 keywords in the Content Explorer and use the right filters and try to figure out what are the long form content that is there on the internet. And from here you can just keep on keeping a note of the different links of the content that you wish to create. So let's say convert PDF to Word online. Now this is not relevant for me, so just skip it. So let's say classified scanning and shading. Now this might be a content, this might be a listing site. You need to open up and see if it's a listing or if it's a content. If it's a content, then you shall definitely keep a note of this URL. Just copy and paste this particular content in this particular URL in some place and research about what kind of content they have written and try to figure out if that content fits into your service portfolio. Let's say the 7 best document scanners of 2021. Now this looks like a very relevant kind of content, so this can be a good content idea for you. So figure out the different content ideas. So you don't have to copy the exact title, exact content. You just have to take ideas from the search result that what kind of content is working. So over here what I can make out is mostly people are looking for a listicle of the different types of scanning services or scanning applications or scanning softwares that are available in the market. So people are mostly searching for the best scanning softwares available. So this is how they are this is how the different types of content are present on the internet. So yeah, this is how you have to keep on scanning through the different types of content that are there on the internet and make your own list of content ideas. You are doing this content exploration on these tools so that you are able to understand what kind of content are being created by the existing brands for this particular keyword. So if someone is looking to rank for bulk document scanning as a keyword search, what kind of content they are creating. So you need to go through all of this list of top 20, 30 content based on the traffic volume and then look for ideas. So once you go through the headlines of all of this, you will get some ideas on what kind of content is actually getting ranked or what kind of content is getting most of the traffic for this keyword term. And based on this, you can make a list of your own keyword ideas that these are the different types of content that I'm going to create. Right, so this is one way. The next way, the next step can also be to simply use the UberSuggest. Now this is an amazing tool. It's a free tool that will give you some 10 content ideas for free. So if you go to keyword analyzer, over here you have an option for content ideas. Just click on content ideas and search for that particular term. So let's say document scanning is my term. Select the right location. In my case it's US market. I'll hit search and now you will be getting a list of all the top content that is there on the internet. So over here what you see is this is one of those content that is ranking and is having a lot of Facebook search, a lot of Pinterest pins and all. They have a lot of this particular article has a lot of backlinks. That means a lot of other websites are referring to this content. That means it's a very solid content. And if you look at it, for 18 different keywords it appears in the search result. Again, if you look at the second, for 81 different keywords this is ranking in the search result. So that's a huge achievement for this content. So this way you are going to get a list of the different types of content that is ranking for your selected keyword. You can export it into a CSV and have a more detailed study of the different parameters of this content, or you can just copy to clipboard and keep a note of all the top content. Now again, these are just content ideas. You need to go through these content ideas from UberSuggest. You need to go through the content ideas from Ahref and build your own list of content. So you just have to note down that, okay, bulk document scanning is the keyword that I'm targeting to rank for, and under bulk document scanning I'm going to create this content. So let's say I'm getting some insights that location wise content pages are there. So I can just create location wise bulk scanning content. So this can be one of the ideas. So let's say document scanning services or best document scanning services in Los Angeles, California, let's say. So you can just have a list of your content like this. You can create a list of content like this by taking insights from this quick searches. Now once you have created a list of this content, your next step is to create the content, and as per the selected keyword, do the on-page SEO of it. So yeah, that's the whole process. So now as a quick exercise, what you can do is you can start with by following this whole process. So right from starting with the seed keyword in your Google Keyword Planner, to selecting the right keywords in Ahref, Site Explorer and Keywords Explorer, to exploring what kind of keywords are giving traffic to your competitors, to exploring what kind of content your competitors are creating, or what kind of content is getting a lot of traction, a lot of traffic on the internet, and based on that create your own list of content ideas. So write down the different keywords that you're targeting. So let's say document scanning is one of my keyword, bulk document scanning is second keyword, bulk document scanning services is my third keyword, document scanning services near me is my fourth keyword. So based on that, just create a list of the different keywords, and under every keyword make a list of the different types of content that you think would work, right? So that's where your brain comes into play. You need to go through all of these types of performing content and figure out what is going to work. So that's where your brain comes into play, your decision making power comes into play. And yeah, that's how the whole process works. You cannot literally copy the SEO formula of some other website and get to replace them overnight. You need to use certain strategic moves. So for example, how do you mix and match the different types of keyword, how do you mix and match the different types of top performing content to create your own version of content that is better than both of those existing content. So that's how you break into the existing market and take your share. So yes, that's all from this particular video. If you have any doubts, any questions, please let me know. Thank you so much. Have a great time ahead. Bye bye. So just a quick recap, we started with one particular keyword, the seed keyword that defines our service. We searched for that particular keyword on Google Keyword Planner just to get some ideas on what exactly people are searching for. Now from that, we broadened our search and we got a list of the different keywords that people are searching whenever they're looking for document scanning solutions. Now we picked up the top highly searched keywords and moved into Ahref. Now we move to Ahref, Site Explorer and Keyword Explorer, so that we are able to understand what are the different keyword variations that people are using whenever they're looking for document scanning services. So from there, we got some deeper insights on the different types of keywords that we shall be using for our SEO. And from that keyword, along with that keyword ideas, we also got the list of the top performing web pages for those keywords. So let's say document scanning is one of our keywords. For document scanning, what are the top pages on the internet? We have got a list of those. We went ahead and studied each and every top ranking website on Ahref Site Explorer. Now from there, again, we got some more keyword ideas. So what kind of keywords those competitors, those highly ranked pages are using to be there in the search results first page, right? So using the Site Explorer, we got to know some more newer keywords that you can target. Now using those selected keywords, we started our Content Explorer journey. So in this Content Explorer, we have been searching for what are the different types of content that is there on the internet for this particular keyword that we've selected, and and what are those content that is getting a lot of traffic. So we searched for the particular keyword term, and then we looked for the top content pieces on the internet. We filtered out it based on the long form content and the page traffic. So we filtered out based on the page traffic, number one. Number two, based on the number of words. So only long form content more than 600 or 1000 words we have shortlisted, so that you can understand what are the different types of content that is mostly on the search results, that is mostly getting the traffic from the search results.